boy just did a video. Oh, here he is again. Let's do it. You guys will see some behind. He was like, oh, who did that? Okay, so you see behind the footage of making the video. And we honked this horn at people, and there was this man right there, and that, see it? Let me zoom up. Okay, see him? See him? Oh. And I just did it, and then I see him, and he got scared. He was like, what is that? Who's honking at me? Because I'm going to kill him. Right, Diane? Right? And then in the other video, she broke a fork and tried to put it in there. And then, yeah, we tried to turn the music on. And yeah, and then it didn't work. And then we tried to do this and this and this and this and this and this. And there's pills in here. All that old man likes his pills in here. Who is his name? Marjorie Riddle. Margie? Does it say Margie? Does it say Margie? Isaiah. Hopefully the cops don't see this and then we get in trouble. Look at the bottom. Look at all this. It's fine. I think these are crushed up. Oh, no, they're not. Okay. Isaiah. Look at the eyeball, though. Blink. She blinked. Oh! Sorry for that incident. We're gonna go to McDonald's and we're gonna see this girl's mom for the first time ever. You guys get to see it. I am so excited. She's gonna start crying and everything. She's gonna start crying and everything. Right, Zion? Right. Right. She's playing ninja. So, yeah, I mean, that's episode. Dum dum bum gum doo hey. And that's where I live with that big truck. Elizabeth. With that big truck. Do you see it? No, with the white car. It's the big truck. Yeah, that's not her car. Not that old lady. She's so mean. You woman. Because she's a really mean old lady. Whee! You guys see anything? Anyway, I'm about to get out of this car and see where they are. There's two car seats back here. Zaya, we should be babies instead of car seats. Okay, here we go. Zaya's gonna get locked in here. Let's go. We're gonna make an escape from Zaya. Why? Yeah! Did you see that? Oh shoot! He's doing me. We're gonna go see where she is. Here she's in the car. Sorry. She locked me out. She locked me out of the car. She won't get it this time. Let me. You're on video, haha. Come on. Open the door. Open the door. She won't open the door. You see how this friend treats me? Like a doo-doo head butthole. Come on. And you're... Ah! No. Oh, there we go. Okay, I almost got crushed by the door. I'm fine. Watch this action. Slow-mo door closing. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Okay, finally this dude has decided to be in. And look at that fake driving. That's so retarded. Okay. I'm just gonna record Zion for a couple hours playing a game. Because they're gonna be driving for a couple hours. No. Zaya, can you answer me a question? Do you like these nuts?
No.
Yeah, she does. So she has a boyfriend, right? And then when she was leaving from the school, he gave her a hug, like a siren, like, whoop. And then he never came back to the school again because he was moving. And Zaya started crying. She was all sad.
Oh my God.
And she said, "Oh, I never got his email, Mommy."
Oh God. You're so weird.
Yeah, that's how it happened. Look at this junk stuff. This is such a junky car. I'm sorry, Zaya. Look at all this trash. I need to pick it up. Y'all dumb bubble gum do it. Hopefully we can turn it. Okay, bye. I'm going to get your dad, okay? Come with me. Zaya. Come. Okay. I'll tell him that you're getting him.
I'm coming.
Okay, good. Slow motion.
Boy, bye.
No! Zaya, get your butt back here! Ah! Zaya, stay! Zaya, do what you say! Say hi! Where'd she go? Zaya! I just got your dad on camera. And then it says, "Get out! Get out of our house, young lady." I call them jellies because they feel like jelly.
They are jelly.
You're jelly.
What?
You're jelly. You're jelly of this. These nuts. Look at these jellies. This is what inside of my house looks like when it's getting its carpet clean. Hold on. Okay, come on before we have to do work.
Hey, you gotta